Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Chikan Town Resort. This is actually an old ancient city called Chikan. We're gonna that map is just to kind of but we're gonna be exploring all of this, and then you're gonna see this kind of stuff because we're gonna be walking down in it in a moment. Actually, I'll tell you about it, but you can also take these tour guide stuff, and there's actually a big giant dialoo. I don't know if I can see it, but we're gonna be walking down that. There it is right there. So it's behind the trees right in there. So we're going to be walking over there and kind of trying to get to know this Chikan area, this ancient village area. So going to be pretty cool. Let me put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And I am liking it a lot. Chikan Ancient Village up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. This whole area, it's not too far from Taishan, and this is kind of, I'll explain it all in the video. Let's just do that. But anyways, you can see, you already saw a little bit in the preview. Let's just get right in there as if you were there yourself and you'll know all about it. Let's do it. Chikan Ancient Village, part of Guangdong. Yep, so let me see, let me just kind of see where we are. But yeah, you can see all these little, I think we're kind of near the north gate, I think, which is right there. We're gonna do a series of videos. So we're gonna explore all around in here. So we're gonna walk towards this big dialoo right here. I'll tell you all about that. And we're just gonna get into it and just see what we can see and share it with you on the big screen. Yeah, should be pretty dang cool. Let's just go around and take a look at the boats first. Let me also tell you a little bit about this area. So this is part of Guangdong. If I paid more money, I could have also did a thing where I could go around on a boat, and I might come back here because this does look really, really cool. But yeah, these dialoo, I'll tell you about that as well. We're gonna walk over to that one in the middle. That one looks amazing. Let's also just kind of capture these boats. So yeah, you could take these boats in. It's actually kind of interesting because I saw lots of other YouTubers, but I didn't really see it like how I'm seeing it, like to really understand it. Like we're gonna really understand this by the time we're done with this one, because I'm gonna do a series of videos so that people have an idea of what exactly it feels like when you're here. Number one, there's the tourism here. Guangdong lion dancing. I saw some of that really cool stuff, other parts of Guangdong as well. So these dialoo right here, these were built from overseas Chinese. And I don't know if we can get in there, I hope so. But those are just magnificent. But they built these towers, and like they live more up there, and then up here, I don't know if this one would be like that or not, but I saw some other videos where in the dialoo, they, I'm probably mispronouncing that, but they would protect it, and it'd have like this, like there's no windows right here, but you start having windows higher up, right? And then you have this big tower at the top. And like at this space in here, they would have like little holes, so that if somebody tried to break in, like intruders and such, to rob them, they would shoot down on them, like from up above. And so I'm pretty sure that this was why that looks like that. But it's just amazing, like just having those little towers. It's like a little castle. And then this whole town is, I think it's, I couldn't tell you what's original, what's like, some of this looks like facade kind of stuff. But it's funny because you'll see like authentic, real stuff throughout this whole area. I was just in Taishan, so I have some videos of Taishan that are up, coming up, probably up by now. Let me just kind of see. Those are some of the other things we're going to be walking by and seeing. So yeah, some of these could be original. Let's just go up here. We'll just walk directly to the dialoo. But some of these look like they're manufactured, but I don't know what's what. Like this looks kind of manufactured to me, but this one looks 100% authentic. And then this could be authentic, because that's what a lot of them look like, or it could be synthetic. Just don't know. Here's some tour groups over there. Surprised we didn't see more tour groups actually. They have a big parking lot out front. Looks so cool. Looks like it's currently locked. We'll just kind of walk around it because it is one of the highlights here. But yeah, you'd have these big giant doors. VIP Explorer. So I guess you would have to have the VIP pass, and it'd probably have to be at a different time period, I guess. Let's walk over here and see. So yeah, I guess if you rented one of those boats, and they were like right next to the tower. Oh, it's kind of crazy, like the windows and everything about it. We just see it. This dialoo is kind of okay. I don't know what that's made out of. Some of these things, there's like walls in Macau, they're made out of like oyster shells and some other. So I'm kind of just exploring and checking that all out. There's also like fireworks at night. These look like they probably light up at night. They're probably like little things that come up with color everywhere. Places to sit. Beautiful palm trees. These are real. Feels like I'm in a movie set. I think I did read that actually Chikan is used as movie set. So that kind of feels like it. There's a restaurant there. So I don't know which way to go here. See, there's like a theater. There's somebody practicing over there. Looks like we have a little bridge. We can go across the bridge over there. So what I'm doing in this particular video is I'm just, wow, look at the detail here. So these I've seen in temples anyways, with this kind of detail up on the tops like that. And then there's somebody who's practicing up there. So it looks like this is actually, wow, look at that tree. The tree looks so cool. But somebody's over there practicing. Wow. Amazing. I'm gonna have to take a picture of that. He's just practicing. It's gonna take a picture, but he stopped. So I guess they have performances here. So that must be a stage where they perform up there and practice. I thought I saw a bridge over here, so we're gonna meander through. Yeah, it's all kind of manufactured and it's like for tourism. Maybe we can't get through. So it looks like we have the back gate where they're practicing. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna see if we can go through here, and if that bridge is here. I kind of think it might be. Let's go in and find out. So yeah, Chikan Ancient Village is kind of more touristic than anything. So what I usually do is I try to keep it like 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes a little longer. So this one will be no exception. And so So I'm going to be filming another one. Those are beautiful. This whole tree has those. So I'll be filming another one where we can get more images of this Chikan Ancient Village as we explore and walk around. So yeah, it looks like super cool. Yeah, I can hear music. I can see some more dialoos over there. They definitely have resort stuff here and music. Anyways, I'm gonna end this particular one for Chikan Ancient Village, and I will be putting up more, so stay tuned for that. So I'm not done with showing you everything. I just like to do it in chunks. This is kind of interesting.